Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed Midi Canals. Let's take a look around the outside of this Aqualine Voyager 60. Really nicely, I think, reproduced Lux motor type lines. It's got a really high bow. I think that shows that she's sea category navigation. Good aft terrace deck there. There's a step up to that on the starboard side, makes life a bit easier. You can see the woodwork needs a bit of lasure or varnish. The woodwork needs some care and attention. And a bit of paint as well. Sadly, our vendor's not been able to visit the boat for about 4 years now, so those things that you would normally do have started to need catching up on. But overall, still looking really nice. There is no escaping the quality of the build and the materials used in this vessel. Nice wide side decks, dead easy to make your way up here. That's 24 volt windlass. Pigeon box again, same, could do with a bit of oil or varnish, redoing just like the wheelhouse. That's the step up I was mentioning onto your aft deck. 18.3 meters long, 3.7 meters wide, sea category navigation. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boatshed Midi Canals, and all my contact details are on this information page at boatshedmidicanals.com. Be pleased to hear from you.